Hello everyone, today I will show you how to auto-comment on Facebook ads post. Now, try with this post. With this software, you can manage unlimited Facebook accounts and control them for your work. You can choose the content you want to comment on. Only need some step, choose the accounts you want to comment and press start. The Facebook accounts will go to the post and comment what you want. After running the software, check the post at the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. My contact is on the screen and on the comment.